Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. Customer states the steering's a bit wobbly.
Okay, side to side.
On today's episode of That's F***ed Up, that stuff.
Customer came in after hearing a crunching noise coming from the front of their Ford Explorer. This is what came out of the power transfer unit. I bet you can't guess which vehicle has this carbon fiber.
Damn.
Came in with a low tire indicator. The other side was in the same condition. This customer came in for an annual safety test, and of course, the car failed. When the mechanic told the owner that it failed the test and he needed parts, he said that he didn't feel anything wrong with the car.
Look at that. How can you not notice that way? Out. That's shaved. Yeah.
This 1993 Ford Broncos new engine doesn't sound too good. This customer sent in this video of their 2016 Ford F-150 making this weird, intermittent knock. From the video, we have no clue what could be causing it. Let us know what you think it is in the comments. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.